Hey guys, I'm Chef Olivia Burt and I'm going to be showing you some of my knife skills and my top tips on do's, don'ts, how to use the knives and why they're an essential in your kitchen. So I'm going to be kind of going through how to show you the claw first of all with a knife. So I'm using one of these chef knives here. You could use the little petty for this. I quite like it when it's a little bit smaller when we're dealing with smaller items. It's kind of up to you really. So I'm going to be testing these on shallots when we're looking at kind of the claw, which is this kind of really classic technique that you see people using here. It's kind of the safest way not to cut yourself. So what you're trying to do is protect your hands and your nails from getting cut by the knife. It comes with quite a lot of practice and it will feel very strange at first. So again, we're going back to the same way with holding the knife. You want the top ridge of the knife coming into this nice bend in your hand and your forefingers wrapped around the underside. You want quite a tight grip because the blade is really, really sharp, so you want to make sure that you really are in control of that knife. And then with the claw, what we're trying to do is hold the item that we're chopping and we're protecting our fingers and nails. So what you want is kind of your first knuckle there on your finger should be rubbing up against the kind of middle side of the blade. This is going to protect you from cutting anything. If we slip, we're going to kind of go under and you're not going to cut yourself. And then with this, what we want to do, you want to be using this flat piece on your fingers here to use the movement across your shallot or whatever you're cutting. So that's your guide. So we can keep moving as we go, and this will stop you and allow you to get a kind of even cut on the item because you're guiding it with your fingers. And you can see as I go along with the knife, my hands are moving. And because the knife is always touching my fingers, I can't go too far at a time, and that will allow you to get a really nice kind of even slice. So I'll go through it again a little bit slower. So I've just got my hands here, and as we go, I'm just moving very, very slowly my hand away. But all the time you want to still be resting your hand on the item that you're cutting so you know where you're going. And then we're going for a really nice kind of rocking motion, back and forwards, not kind of down. We're using the length of the blade to cut all the way through. I really appreciate how sharp the blade is.